Wherever you're watching from and around the world, there is a train coming, and it's far in the distance, but it won't be long. Are you ready to get on board? This train is led by Jesus. Ain't carrying no baggage, ain't carrying no sin, ain't carrying no unholiness, but it carry righteousness. It carry the goodness of God. It carry holiness. Will you be ready to get on board? Oh, yeah. The train is coming. Will you be ready? I say I can see in the far distance, and it won't be long, my friend. You didn't need no ticket, and you need no money. You need no connection. All you need to do just get on board. It belongs to the Father, and it belongs to the Son. It belongs to the Spirit. So the Lord said, get on board. It won't be long. All you got to do is to get on board. Get on board with holiness. Get on board with love. Get on board with the goodness of God. And yeah, you shall be qualified, my friend, to get on board. Just get on board. You don't need to be worried. And do not be afraid, because it's led by Jesus. We need no bitterness. We need no hatred. We need no one who has unforgiveness spirit. All we need is holiness, righteous. To get on board. That's your ticket, my friend. So just get on board. I say just get on board. Because we're going home. Because we're going home. Home to Jesus. Just get on board. Subscribe. Like the video. And share it. May you be blessed by the Spirit of